This is my shepherd pie. This is minced beef. And I mix with mixed vegetable, carrots, and some beans, and a little bit of corn. And this is my mashed potato. I mix this with a little bit of butter, a little bit of milk, a little bit of garlic powder. That's all. Yeah. So later, after finish it, covering it, I was a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. Anyway, this smashed potato I mix with Parmesan cheese. Then will be open. Yes. Shepherd pie. This is my homemade shepherd pie. Cover up everything and sprinkle with Parmesan cheese. Almost there. Guys. Cover it up. Thanks for watching.